Check out our newest update. You can now collect partial payments on any of your calendar bookings. This feature enables businesses to request partial payments for appointments, providing flexibility in payment collection while booking. This is going to enhance customer convenience for both businesses and for clients. Let's talk about those benefits. Well, first of all, this is going to enhance your business by providing flexible payment options. Now, businesses can request partial payments for services or appointments. It's also going to improve your cash flow. Businesses can now collect deposits in advance. It's also going to ensure transparency by providing enhanced transparency. Clients are informed upfront about the partial payment requirement. Let's talk about that practical use. Let's just say that you're a law firm offering tax consulting services. With the partial payment booking feature, now you can request a partial payment of $20 for a $100 session, allowing clients to secure their appointment with ease, ensuring the firm's revenue stream remains consistent. Let me take this a little bit farther. This is a really great way to ensure that those appointments actually hold. That's one of the reasons I personally love this new update. Let me show you exactly where to find this new feature. First, you're going to go to Settings in your lower left-hand menu. Then you're going to go to Calendars and you're going to create a calendar or you're going to edit a new one. To do that, you're going to be in Calendars. Then you're going to create a calendar. You're going to click on the kebab, which is the 3 upright dots, and you can edit that way, or you can simply create a new calendar. Now from there, you can enable accepting payments. To do that, you're going to go to Forms and Payments, and then you're going to toggle on Accept Payments. Now let's go ahead and specify the details of the partial payment. So you're going to go ahead and specify the total amount, how you're going to accept the partial payment, the deposit amount, and the currency. So this is going to give you a lot of options. So you can do percentage, you can do amount, you can do all different types of combinations. Now let's go ahead and view the partial payments. Go ahead and make sure that you're in Calendar. And now what you're going to see is in that booking calendar, in the area where your user or your client is going to be booking, you're now going to see the total amount due as well as what is due immediately in the Pay Now area. Now you'll be able to see all of those transactions right inside of Payments and then under Transactions. You can view the amount charged during your booking as you see below. You can also see the pending amount due also under Invoices. The partial payment booking feature streamlines the appointment booking by offering flexible payment options, facilitating smoother transactions, and enhancing client satisfaction. We hope you enjoyed this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.